10 Father's Day activities for school. Father's Day is a special day held to honor dads across the world, and most countries celebrate it on the third Sunday of June. In the United States, Father's Day was founded by Sonora Smart Todd for the first time in 1910. At school, we can share this special day with our learners. So here are 10 Father's Day activities for school. Do some kind of activity with your dad. It could be a sport they enjoy like table tennis or cornhole, completing a puzzle as a family, or playing a board game. My parents and I had a great time playing Splendor almost every day when I visited them last vacation. Ask mom to take a picture, then send it to you. The teacher can project it on the board to show the rest of class. Each student gives a quick explanation of their time together. It's important for teachers to include the lives of their learners into shareable learning experiences. Students practice public speaking and share more about their lives. 2. Dad Fact Sheet. In the description, I put some Father's Day worksheets, including a dad fact sheet. Students could also interview their dad. Help learners write a list of questions they can ask dad. It could be about their hobbies, their lives, and things they hope to accomplish in the future. Dads aren't often asked about their lives, so this might be a nice bonding experience with their kids. Afterwards, they can write an essay on their dad's life story, like a biography. Number 3. Yes or no. This is very easy. Students write yes on one side of a paper and no on the other. You ask a question related to dad. The students have to raise yes or no. For example, football. Kids would raise yes if their dad likes it or no if he doesn't. Write down 10 to 20 ideas. Chocolate, coffee, exercise, cats, cars. Remember to ask follow-up questions like, oh, your dad likes football. Which team does he support? When working with younger learners, you could also make one side of the classroom yes and the other side no. After asking a question, they have to go to either side to answer. 4. Father's Day card. Here are some ideas for Father's Day cards students can make in class. Make sure to add some personal information like things they like about their dads. Things he does that makes them feel loved. A fun alternative is to create a secret message card. Include something that you wish you could do with him. Kick a ball, go biking, or fishing. Number 5. Father's Day coupon. Create a small booklet with coupons. Things for dad. Add things that he would enjoy, things a learner can do for them. One whole sports game on TV without interruption. Some chores done without complaint. Mowing the lawn. Doing dishes. A sandwich or coffee. Dad would love things being done with him instead of having to scold to get it done. 6. Dad's favorite candy bar wrapped in or with a student's artwork. It could be anything. A family painting, decorating a tie. Not only does he get a snack to enjoy, he can appreciate it while looking at the art. 7. Acrostic Poem. Using Father's Day or his name, students write down adjectives or words that describe their dads. Like Eric. Not me, Eric, but my dad's name is also Eric. E is for excellent. R is for resilient. I, imaginative. C, courageous. Students can Google adjectives starting with to help them. This is useful for vocabulary building. 8. Make a scrapbook or collage to share with dad. Ask mom to print out some photos, then create a collage. Here are some Father's Day art and craft ideas. 9. Father's Day photo for dad. If you would rather take photos instead, try making something like a Father's Day chalk art photo, or ask students to draw or paint a picture of them doing something with their dads and send it back home. 10. Plan a barbecue or their favorite food for dinner. Say grace and do a Thanksgiving style blessing where everyone around the table says why they are thankful for dad. During class, helps students list out all the reasons they have to love their dads. Thank you to all the dads raising their children, or our learners, as best they can. Check out this next video for Mother's Day activities.